name is Dr. Bunny Claxton, and today I would like to welcome you to this session about parental involvement by Dr. Selliah. As his former dissertation chair and also his professor in many of his doctoral courses, I want you to know that you are in amazing hands with him. He is clearly a scholar in this topic area. He knows what he's talking about from the parental perspective. And not only has he learned about it through the scholarly literature and different journals and books and writing a dissertation and collecting data and analyzing that data and reporting it, but he is also an amazing role model. He has a son who is just now starting college at Stanford. Very impressive. He was also offered other opportunities at other Ivy League institutions, but decided on Stanford. And so I want you to know that he is an amazing individual. We are in communication way beyond his dissertation because he's just that kind of a person. And I want you to know that he's here today. He is full of amazing knowledge that you really will benefit from by being here and listening to him. He has actually taught me a lot. I might have been his professor, but I learned so much from him through his encouraging words, his encouragement, and even him just sharing experiences with me. And so clearly his topic that he is the scholar on is parental involvement. And I would not be surprised at all if someday there's not a book out by Dr. Selliah, because I have a feeling that he's kind of working on that. He's just that kind of person. I mean, he's here today of his own free time and free will. I mean, he's not getting paid to do this. He just has a heart for getting parents involved in the education process. And so it is my privilege and my honor to welcome you and to introduce you to the amazing Dr. Selliah.